Hi everyone. From this video, you are going to learn how to multiply fractions. When you consider a fraction, the top number is called numerator. The bottom number is called denominator. Dear children, now you are going to learn how to multiply these two fractions. 4 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 7. You understand that both 4 and 3 are in the numerator. Both 5 and 7 are in the denominator. Then you can write this question like this. In the numerator, 4 into 3. In the denominator, 5 into 7. Now like this, you can multiply both 4 and 3. 4 into 3 equals 12. It is in the numerator. 5 into 7 equals 35. It is in the denominator. Now when you multiply these two fractions, answer is 12 over 35. So actually children, when you multiply two fractions, you have to multiply numerator by numerator and get the answer. Multiply denominator by denominator and get the answer. Right. Now we can answer second example. 1 over 2 multiplied by 7 over 10. You can write this question 1 multiplied by 7 over 2 into 10 as a product. 1 into 7 is 7 over 2 into 10 equals 20. So answer is 7 over 20. You multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator and you can find the answer very easily. Then the third example, 11 over 12 multiplied by 5 over 6. We write all the numerators as a product, 11 into 5, then all the denominators as a product, 12 into 6. 11 into 5, 55, and 12 into 6, 72. So when you multiply these two fractions, answer is 55 over 72. Dear children, look at these examples. Now all of you know how to multiply fractions. Now we can find the answer very easily. 7 over 8 multiplied by 1 over 3. Then you multiply numerator by numerator, 7 into 1, 7. Denominator by denominator, 8 into 3, 24. So answer is 7 over 24. Next one, 7 over 10 multiplied by 3 over 5. The same way, you multiply numerator by numerator. 7 into 3, 21. 10 into 5, 50. So 21 over 50. Then children, sometimes you are given more than two numbers. 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 3 multiplied by 7 over 8. However, you have to multiply all the numerators together and get the answer. 1 into 7 equals 7. Then multiply all the denominators together. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 8, 48. So answer is 7 over 48. Then you are given positive numbers and negative numbers, but we multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. 2 into 5, 10. 3 into 7, 21. So when you multiply directed numbers, plus multiplied by minus means answer is negative. So our answer is minus 10 over 21. If you are given a fraction in index form, if you want to find the value, minus 2 over 3 to the power of 2. The index is 2. It means you have to multiply this number by itself. So 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3 multiplied by minus 2 over 3. So we have to follow the same method. Then we multiply numerator by numerator. 2 into 2, 4. Denominator by denominator. 3 into 3, 9. Minus into minus plus. So answer is plus 4 over 9. Now look at the other example. Minus half to the power of 3. So index is 3. That means you have to multiply this number thrice. Minus half multiplied by minus half multiplied by minus half. By using the same method, we multiply all the numerators together. 1 into 1 equals 1. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 1 over 8. Now you should decide the sign. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. So answer is minus 1 over 8. Now the last example. Minus 1 over 4 to the power of 2 into half. We can write this in expanded form. Minus 1 over 4 multiplied by minus 1 over 4, then into half. When we multiply all the numerators together, 1 into 1, answer is 1. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 2, 32. Then you can decide the sign. Minus into minus plus, plus into plus, plus. So answer is plus 1 over 32. Okay children, now you know how to multiply fractions. So when you multiply fractions, you have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Like this you can find the correct answer. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'll come back to you with another video. Thank you very much.